A couple of weeks ago on the show, we talked about a very special confectioner that made a seasonal delicacy. Do you guys remember?
Oh, yes.
I don't. I have a short-term memory.
You don't remember?
No.
Chocolate-covered cicadas.
No! We can do it. We're tough
Alright,
like this.
so you guys know why you're blindfolded now, right?
Wait, why are we blindfolded if we know what it is?
I'm blindfolded like this on a regular thing, so I don't know.
Oh no!
Now, listen,
they're bugs.
We ordered a few, and you might get the opportunity to try some.
Ew.
And I say might because on a tray in front of you, there's going to be a mix of chocolate-covered cicadas and chocolate-covered gummy bears.
I was so tough when we were talking about this. I was like, of course I'd eat it.
Oh my
Now-
gosh.
God.
Oh my god!
Hey, yeah.
I'm sorry, I touched a lot. Okay, sorry.
There you go.
Just eat the whole thing in one bite.
Yeah, tell us.
Oh no.
What is
Take a
it?
couple chews. Hang on. Take a couple chews.
I don't hear any crunching.
I think it's a gummy bear.
You think?
Gummy
Why do you
bear.
It would be gummy
It's
and
pretty
fruity.
good.
All right, we have our first gummy bear.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Wait, what is that? That's a plate.
Oh my gosh. Holy hell. Okay.
After a couple bites,
I'm so
you can
nervous.
tell us safe or cicada.
Safe!
Oh.
I'm safe! Yes!
I'm gonna be the only one that eats a cicada. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm
safe.
Wow.
Are you serious?
This was all one setup.
No way.
This was all set up. You are handing me an entire plate of cicadas, aren't you? No one ever. Is anyone else blindfolded?
Yes, I'm blindfolded.
I swear, Jose, I'm not lying to you.
It seems like a Jose
I
setup.
swear.
Where,
No,
oh, what a
No,
coincidence.
and
And Jose gets a poop cicada. Oh, whoops. I'm scared to touch one because if I touch it, I have to eat it.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
This is what I touched.
Okay.
This is it.
Pop it in.
Okay.
Jose.
Just eat it,
Come
Jose.
on.
I can hear you sniffing.
Oh my God. I'm safe.
You're safe?
I'm safe.
Are you joking?
I think.
Hey, blindfold on. Blindfold on.
Oh, sorry. I'm pretty sure I'm safe.
What?
All right, that
I-
wasn't so bad, was it?
No.
No.
Awesome. Cool. Okay, round 2.
No.
What?
Jay, come on. I'm so nervous. Okay.
I want her to be
Copy it in.
cicadaed.
Really, bro?
Yeah, so there's
So
better
rude.
chances for me.
Ow! I'm crunchy.
Oh, we know what that means.
I don't eat bugs.
Haha, Lex eats bugs.
Did you swallow it or did you spit it out?
Spit it out. No, it's not good. There's a weird aftertaste. Jake, do we get drinks?
Alexis eats
I'm sorry, did
bugs.
you not bring your own drink?
It's not good. No.
Don't touch your blindfold, please.
It's the aftertaste. Ugh.
Yo.
It's stuck in my mouth. I don't know what to do. Shame! No way!
Wow.
Oh yeah, baby.
It wouldn't even affect Brooke. She grew up eating bugs.
Ugh.
Oh, whoa, a little fumble in there.
And?
Jeff.
Gummy, it's safe.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Good stuff.
The bin now is up to Jose.
Are you kidding me? So now there's like 12, what are they called? Cicadas.
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 I want the
Here you
trash
go.
can.
Go ahead and touch the tray.
Oh.
That was it. All right, there you go.
Please, Lord.
Just eat it.
Smells like chocolate.
Yeah.
Just eat it.
Come on.
Oh, God! It's so crunchy right away.
It's gross.
Oh, God! It was a cicada or a really bad gummy bear.
Ew.
I feel like I crunched the wings. I'm not kidding. They have big eyes.
Ew, don't tell me there was eyes on there.
You got the pregnant one.
Oh, he was pregnant. It had a family. Oh, God. Oh, God, the aftertaste. She's
I
right.
told you.
Oh, it's all about the aftertaste. It's like,
It's still there.
like if humidity had a taste, it tastes muggy.
Huh.
I'm
Take a picture?
just getting an outro
Ew,
shot
I
here.
really
But
think
not
the plate
before
is
we do
fine.
the last round.
No! I quit.
I am not.
Last round.
Oh.
All
about this until I heard your reaction.
No, Brooke,
and
it's
now
not good.
Shut up, Alexis.
It's the after.
I want to get one. Ow!
Okay, I'm trying to go. Is there one on
Yep,
here?
right there.
Trust me, okay!
Dang it! Come on, quit messing with us!
Wow.
Quit messing with the kids!
What luck?
Me and Alexis are getting off crap and I'm tired of it! You guys are doing it on purpose!
Doesn't leave your mouth! It literally legs up in my teeth!
I know! You can feel the legs! They're like grasshoppers or something!
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I over the plate?
Make her eat a cicada! Don't even give her an option!
You already touched that one.
Oh my god, that's definitely. Oh god.
You think it's
I can't do it!
Put it in your mouth, Brooke!
Come on, bro.
Set it for example.
Oh my god.
Do it for your kids. Do it for your kids. Show your kids what bravery looks like.
Yeah, Brooke! Teaching moment!
She needs a countdown. Let's give her a
Come on, don't
countdown
miss
from 5. Ready?
Right.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1! Cicada yourself!
Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, come on!
Oh, after all that, come on!
Oh yeah, I kind of like the other
Ew, Brooke! Oh, God.
cinnamon.
No, it doesn't
Ew.
taste
Yeah,
What cinnamon you got?
Jeffrey
Okay.
has the bin now. Ashley, go ahead and move her
No,
over
it's
for
pretty
Jeff.
good.
Oh
you
my
weirdo.
gosh, I want to brush my teeth so
me
bad
too,
right now.
Me too. Brooke, you were so
Is
weird.
it down here?
Yep, straight down.
Oh, God.
Alright.
Oh, no, it's still there.
Jeff, you could be eating bugs right now.
It's another gummy.
The guy who doesn't care at all about it is just getting fed Gummy Bear. Oh, what a fun day at work. Eating candy, getting paid. Doddly
It
do.
was like Halloween
I'm
around.
Jeffrey, yeah. All right.
Ew.
Oh, I can hear the crowd.
I can hear it too.
I chewed it up to say I chewed it.
It's not that bad. Yes, it is, Brooke. It is like cinnamon.
Do cicadas have salmonella or some kind of weird poison on them? Were these washed first?
Before we
I love
finish,
wings, just
I'm
not
gonna
those.
put the tray back in front of Jeffrey. He's gonna go
Yeah.
sudden death until he picks a cicada.
Oh.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Boo, Jeff!
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, it's the aftertaste.
Yeah. Do you
It's
want
not
the garbage
chocolate.
can?
No. I got another gummy that time.
You son of a... Oh my gosh.
Someone just giving Jeff a bag of
Is he not blindfolded?
I'm like crying under this
This
blindfold.
game was pretty fun.
Yeah, eat 6 gummy bears. What a tough
Wait.
day.
This one feels different.
Oh!
Is it in your mouth yet?
No, not yet, but it
Oh.
feels different.
Oh, like the shape?
Yeah.
Okay, just eat it.
The feeling's gross.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Oh! How does that feel?
What do you think?
How do you like it, Jeff?
It's like a Kit Kat bar almost.
Ew!
Like that.
Oh no! It's not a
Do
wafer
you
though.
say cinnamon too, or is it just me?
What is wrong with you?
Not cinnamon.
That's probably hepatitis you're tasting.
Nutmeggy.
Yeah, nutmeg. Yeah.
It's actually
okay.
pretty good.
Oh, gross! You guys are animals.
Disgusting.
Oh, yeah. The second one is even better.
No!